Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to discuss about physical properties of alcohols. Under physical property, the first property is physical state. So in this, if you take the lower alcohols are colorless liquids. Okay, with it will be having the order of alcohol, and if you see the taste, it will be having that burning taste. Okay, this alcoholic order and this burning taste will get decreased when molecular weight increases. Okay, when more number of alkyl groups are present, the molecular weight will be more. So in that in those alcohols, this alcoholic order as well as burning taste will get decreased. Okay, and if you take higher members means that is more than 12 carbon atoms. Okay, higher members which is having more than 12 carbon atoms are colorless and colorless waxy solids. Clear? So this is what about physical state. And our next important physical property is capability of forming intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so this alcohols, if you take alcohols are polar in nature. Okay, so why it is polar in nature? Due to the presence of OH group, and this OH group is attached to the alkyl group. Okay, and this is what the general term of that alcohol, OH group which is attached to the alkyl group. So due to this only it is polar in nature. Okay, and if you take this oxygen is highly electronegative than this hydrogen and carbon. Okay, so what this oxygen will do, it will try to pull the shared pair of electrons towards itself. It will try to pull the shared pair of electrons from hydrogen also and from alkyl also towards itself. Okay, so the electron density will be more in this oxygen. Okay, when oxygen, because of highly electronegative nature, this oxygen will pull the electrons towards itself. So because of that, what happens, the electron density will be more for this oxygen. It will be more in this oxygen. Okay, so because of this, what happens, it creates a polarity. A polarity is created between oxygen and hydrogen as well as carbon and oxygen. Okay, so what polarity means? What do you mean by that? A partially charged is created. So this one will be having partially negative charge, and this will be having partially positive charge, and hydrogen also will be having partially positive charge. So this is how a polarity is created. Okay, so this is polarized alcohol molecule. This is polarized alcohol molecule. Okay, so here what happens, the partial charge is on the hydrogen atom and partial charge on the oxygen, partial negative charge on the oxygen atom. So because of this reason, because of this partially positive charge and partially negative charge, this alcohol molecules, it will form, it will undergo the what, it will form that intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Okay, because of this partial positive and partial negative, this alcohol will undergo the formation of intermolecular, see I am writing only the keywords, intermolecular hydrogen bonds. Okay, so due to this formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonds, so many alcohol molecules will combine together. Okay, so due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonds, so many alcohol molecules, it will combine together. Okay, so alcohol molecules, it will combine together and it will form an associated molecules. It will form a associated molecules. Am I clear, students? See here what happens, alcohol is having alcohols are polar in nature due to the presence of OH group which is attached to the alkyl group, and this is the general term of that alcohol. Here oxygen is highly electronegative. So because of this highly electronegative property, this oxygen will take the electrons towards itself and it will create a a polarity is created. So what is that polarity? This hydrogen will be having partially positive charge, oxygen will be having partially negative charge, and this alkyl group also will be having partially positive charge. Okay, and this is what the polarized alcohol molecule. So because of this polarity, what happens? A intermolecular hydrogen bond is formed. Okay, due to this intermolecular hydrogen bond, all the alcohol molecules, it will combine together and it will form an associated molecules. Okay, so because of this reason only, this alcohol is having this alcohol is having its effect on so many physical properties. Okay, so because of this property only, because of this intermolecular hydrogen bond only, it is having so many physical properties. It affects so many physical properties like solubility. It is having so many physical properties like solubility in water. Okay, and next is high boiling point, and high viscosity, etc. Okay, so due to the formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonds, because of this reason only, so many physical properties are there for alcohol. Okay, so we'll see these physical properties one by one. Okay, so the first property is solubility. Okay, so if you take this solubility, this lower members of alcohols. So I'm talking about lower members of alcohols. So lower members of alcohols are completely soluble in water. Okay, so lower members are completely soluble. So soluble, you can write miscible in water. Okay, so why it is completely miscible in water? Because this lower member, it will form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecules. Okay, so this lower member of alcohols, it will form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecules. Okay, so this is what the main reason. Okay, and alcohols, and already you know about alcohols. Alcohols are polar, so it can easily form hydrogen bond with water molecules. Okay, so this is what the reason. And if you take if there is increase in molecular mass, okay, if there is increase in molecular mass, the solubility of alcohol decreases. Solubility of alcohol decreases. Understood? So if there is increase in molecular mass. So what do you mean by increase in molecular mass? I am talking about increase in the size of the alkyl group. So increase in molecular mass means it is nothing but increase in size of the alkyl group. Okay, so if there is increase in size of alkyl group, definitely there will be increase in the molecular mass. If molecular mass increases, the solubility of alcohol decreases. Okay, so these are the two important points. And one more important point is, if you take alkyl group, okay, alkyl group, see here I told you, right, increase in the size of the alkyl group. If there is increase in the size of the alkyl group, the solubility of alcohol decreases. So what happens there? If the size of the alkyl group increases, means how come the solubility of alcohol decreases? So I'll give you reason for that and I'll give you explanation for that. If you take alkyl group, this alkyl groups are hydrophobic groups. So what do you mean by hydrophobic groups? it will not, it is water repellent. Okay, these are alkyl groups are hydrophobic groups. Okay, so and these alkyl groups are, I told you, right, hydrophobic means definitely it is water repellent, it is insoluble in water. Okay, if you take in lower alcohols, this alkyl groups and all, it will be very small. Okay, that is what lower, remember. Alkyl group is very small. And this OH group which is present, it will form hydrogen bond with water molecules. So, this lower alcohols are highly soluble in water or completely miscible in water. Okay. So, what I told you, this lower alcohols will have small alkyl group, and what this OH will do, this OH group will form hydrogen bonding with water molecules, and it is completely miscible in water. Okay, but if you take size, if you take higher members, okay, if you take higher members, the size of the alkyl group increases in higher alcohols. Okay, if you take higher alcohol, so what is that higher alcohol? Size of the alkyl group increases. So size of the alkyl group increases in higher alcohols. So size of the alkyl group increases, definitely the hydrophobic nature also increases. Okay, if size of the alkyl group increases, hydrophobic nature also increases. So because of this, but OH group is also there. This OH group will be having hydrophilic nature, but this hydrophobic nature only will dominate over this hydrophilic nature. Clear? See, you can ask me, ma'am, OH group will be there, right? So definitely hydrophilic nature will be increased. OH group is there, so definitely it will be hydrophilic. Why OH group is hydrophilic? Because it will form hydrogen bond with water molecules, intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecules. Definitely hydrophilic nature will be there. But what happens? This hydrophobic nature only will dominate over that hydrophilic nature. Okay, so hydrophobic nature will dominate the hydrophilic nature of OH group. Okay, so because of this reason only, the solubility decreases. So when size of the alkyl group increases, molecular mass increases. And what is the property of this alkyl group? It is hydrophobic in nature. So hydrophobic nature increases, and this hydrophobic nature of alkyl group will dominate over the hydrophilic nature of OH group. Okay, so because of that, solubility of higher alcohols decreases. Clear? So this is what about solubility of alcohols. So here the important concepts are lower members are completely soluble, and what is the reason for that? Because this lower alcohols, it will form intermolecular hydrogen bond with water molecules, that is the OH group which is present in the alcohol. It will form intermolecular hydrogen bonds with water molecules. This is what the reason. And why higher members of alcohol are insoluble in water? Alkyl group are, if there is increase in the size of the alkyl group, the hydrophobic nature of this alkyl group increases, and the solubility decreases. Okay, so this is what the reason. This is what solubility of alcohol.